Hubert J. Mahowald was born in 1900. He had a birth anomaly of 2 clubbed feet. His older brother, Frank, promised his mother he would always care for his younger brother. Frank set up a storefront in downtown Lakeville where Hubert fixed shoes and harnesses. Being a talented cobbler, he also made his own orthotics, which are devices worn inside your shoes to correct biomechanical foot issues. He made many of these for his own use. Hubert never married, but enjoyed pipe smoking and cards. Local kids were fascinated that he could walk with his unique tie-on shoes. Hubert died in 1971, but like many that came before and after him, he helped to create what we know today as the City of Lakeville. This Lakeville History Moment is part of the Lakeville Area Historical Society's mission to educate residents about the community's past.